Best folding phones. Are you looking for the best folding phones? In this video we will look at 5 of the best folding phones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Motorola Razr Plus. The Motorola Razr Plus Unlocked is a sleek and innovative smartphone that combines modern performance with a nostalgic flip design. Built for the US market, it features 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, ensuring smooth multitasking and ample space for apps, photos, and media. At the heart of the device is its 50MP main camera, which delivers sharp and vibrant photos, even in low light, thanks to advanced imaging technology. The high-quality camera ensures professional-level photos and videos, complemented by a capable front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. The Razr Plus is powered by a robust processor, ensuring fast and reliable performance for everyday tasks and demanding applications. Its compact flip design incorporates a pulled external display, providing quick access to notifications, widgets, and essential functions without fully opening the device. When unfolded, the main display offers a large, immersive screen experience, perfect for streaming, browsing, and gaming. With an elegant midnight blue finish, the Razr Plus exudes style while maintaining a durable build. The device is unlocked, offering flexibility for use with most major US carriers. The Razr Plus supports modern connectivity options, including 5G, ensuring fast download and streaming speeds. Its battery is designed to last through the day, with fast charging capabilities for added convenience. In summary, the Motorola Razr Plus is a stylish and feature-packed smartphone that merges cutting-edge technology with a nostalgic flip phone design. With its powerful performance, stunning camera, and versatile displays, it's an excellent choice for users seeking a unique yet practical smartphone experience. Number 2. Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is an advanced, foldable Android smartphone that combines cutting-edge technology with a sleek and practical design. Its Gemini-powered performance ensures seamless multitasking, enhanced AI features, and smooth operation, making it a powerful choice for tech enthusiasts and professionals alike. The standout feature is its foldable display, which offers a large, immersive screen for multitasking, media consumption, and gaming, while folding into a compact form for portability. This innovative design provides flexibility and a premium experience, suitable for various user needs. Equipped with an advanced triple rear camera system, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold delivers exceptional photo and video quality. The cameras leverage Google's renowned computational photography, capturing vivid details in any lighting condition. The hands-free video mode adds convenience, enabling effortless video calls, content creation, and hands-free recording. With 256 GB of storage, the device provides ample space for apps, photos, and videos, while its unlocked configuration ensures compatibility with most major carriers. The obsidian finish adds a touch of sophistication, complemented by a durable build that can handle daily use. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold integrates seamlessly with Google's ecosystem, offering exclusive features like enhanced Google Assistant capabilities, live translation, and adaptive battery optimization for extended usage. It supports 5G connectivity for fast downloads and smooth streaming. In summary, the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is a versatile, foldable smartphone that excels in performance, photography, and functionality. Its innovative design, powerful camera system, and seamless Google integration make it an excellent choice for users seeking a premium Android experience with a cutting-edge foldable form factor. Number 3. OnePlus Open. The OnePlus Open is a premium, foldable Android smartphone designed for power users and multitaskers. It boasts 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage, delivering exceptional performance for demanding tasks, gaming, and seamless multitasking. Its dual SIM capability and factory unlocked configuration make it versatile for use with most US carriers. The phone features a 120 Hz fluid display, offering smooth visuals, vibrant colors, and a responsive touch experience, ideal for media consumption and gaming. Its foldable design adds innovation and practicality, providing a large screen for multitasking while maintaining portability when folded. Powered by a 4,805 mAh battery, the OnePlus Open supports 67W fast charging, ensuring quick power-ups for minimal downtime. This makes it a reliable companion for users who need extended performance throughout the day. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the Hasselblad camera system, which delivers professional-grade photos and videos. The advanced imaging technology ensures sharp, vivid, and well-balanced captures in various lighting conditions, catering to both casual and serious photographers. The sleek Voyager black finish complements its cutting-edge design, making it as stylish as it is functional. It supports 5G connectivity, ensuring fast internet speeds and smooth streaming. In summary, the OnePlus Open is a powerhouse foldable smartphone with top-tier specifications, including ample RAM and storage, a stunning display, fast charging, and a premium camera system. Its blend of performance, innovative design, and advanced features makes it an excellent choice for users seeking a high-end, future-ready Android device. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a cutting-edge foldable Android smartphone designed for productivity, entertainment, and innovation. With 256 GB of storage and a large foldable screen, it provides a seamless multitasking experience, ideal for professionals and tech enthusiasts. A key highlight is its AI-powered features, including Circle to search for intuitive browsing, hands-free live interpreter for instant translation during conversations, and AI photo edits, which enable effortless photo enhancements for professional quality results. These intelligent tools make the Galaxy Z Fold 6 a versatile device for work, travel, and creativity. The foldable display offers an immersive, tablet-like experience when unfolded, perfect for streaming, gaming, and multitasking. When folded, it becomes a compact and portable smartphone, ensuring convenience on the go. The silver shadow finish adds a sleek, modern aesthetic to its durable build. The device runs on the latest Android operating system, optimized for foldable screens, and supports 5G connectivity for ultra-fast speeds. Its advanced hardware ensures smooth performance for demanding tasks and apps. Samsung backs the Galaxy Z Fold 6 with a 1-year US manufacturer warranty, ensuring peace of mind. The battery is designed to last through extended use, while fast charging capabilities minimize downtime. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a premium foldable smartphone that combines innovation, AI-powered features, and powerful performance. With its large screen, intuitive tools, and stylish design, it's an excellent choice for those seeking a future-ready device that excels in both productivity and entertainment. Number 5. Motorola Razr. The Motorola Razr, Unlocked, is a modern take on the classic flip phone, offering advanced features in a sleek, foldable design. This version comes in a vibrant spritz orange finish, combining bold aesthetics with practicality. It is built for the US market and provides 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, ensuring a smooth performance for multitasking and ample space for apps, photos, and videos. The standout feature of the device is its 50MP main camera, which captures sharp, detailed images even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera is equipped with advanced photography features to enhance your shots, making it ideal for casual users and photography enthusiasts alike. The phone also includes a capable front-facing camera, perfect for selfies and video calls. The Razr's foldable design features a compact pull-outer display for quick access to notifications and essential tools without unfolding the device. When opened, the main screen provides a larger, immersive experience for streaming, gaming, and browsing. This device is unlocked, offering compatibility with most major US carriers, giving you flexibility in choosing your network. Its modern hardware ensures fast, reliable performance, supported by a battery designed to last through daily use. Fast charging capabilities keep you connected with minimal downtime. In summary, the Motorola Razr, Unlocked, combines nostalgic design with modern functionality. Its powerful camera, robust performance, and innovative foldable display make it a great choice for users seeking a stylish and versatile smartphone experience. The bold spritz orange color adds a touch of personality, making it stand out from the crowd.